So for this tutorial, I wanted to demonstrate the Google Photosphere app for creating 360-degree virtual tours. So you will download the app onto your device and go to Photosphere. Now I'm actually going to be using my home in this tutorial, so you'll see a little bit of my kitchen in this tutorial. But to get started, you're going to tap on the camera icon in the bottom right. You're going to be guided through the process of stitching together a bunch of images to turn into the 360-degree virtual tour. So all you have to do as the person creating it is just move the white circle, so this larger circle. You want to move it to where the yellow is inside the white. So once you have the yellow inside the white, the item in the middle will actually turn white, and then you'll hear your camera take a picture. Once you have your first picture, you will then start moving your camera around to capture the rest of the images. And this is a full 360, so just stay in one place. You don't want to walk around. You want to stay in one place and just rotate around in the circle and just move your camera around and take all the photos. So in this case, we see that if we move up, we can grab a photo here. So it'll be another square photo up here. Once we have that photo at the top, we can move to the right, and we can move the circle then over this circle to take the next picture. And so you'll continue to do that until you're down to the very last graphic. We now see that we're almost done here. I've kind of jumped ahead a little bit. We're almost done putting this together. You can see there's some discolorations, so there's kind of different colors in here. Google's Photosphere will stitch this together and actually do a very good job of blending a lot of those things together. There will be some artifacts that don't line up perfectly, and you'll notice that in some of the virtual tours that I've created, that some of the lines don't match up perfectly. You can just play around until you get the end product that you're the most happy with. When you've completed taking all of the photos, so all the way around you, up at the ceiling to the floor, you'll notice that the camera icon in the middle turns green. So go ahead and tap on that once. And now you should be back to what looks like a Google map, and a little guy will be running across the bottom showing you a progress. You can see a little blue progress bar going across the top. And now Google is processing that 360-degree tour. Your tours are not published and made public right away. You actually have to publish them. So you'll go into one of your 360-degree tours and publish them to your Google Plus account. And on this last image, I just wanted to show you kind of how some of the lines don't match up perfectly, like in upper right here or down the center. But it's pretty accurate. You can always recreate it and try starting your 360-degree tour at a different point. So maybe start it at the item that you want to be the most aligned and then kind of work from there. So you can try different techniques. So at that point, you can go out to your Google Plus account, which I will cover in the next video.